Hi engineers! This video is all about SDC Verifier software, and I will guide you through job functionality and one of its options, normal modes. To add it, right-click on Jobs, Add. What is job in SDC Verifier / engineering world? And I'm not talking about a profession whatsoever. Well, this is the calculation set that contains loads and their combinations to be calculated with the defined calculation options. Now let's go straight to analysis options and pick the one we are going to concentrate on, normal modes. To briefly refresh your knowledge on normal modes, they equal the natural frequencies and associated deformation patterns of a structure. They are essential for understanding vibration behavior and for performing any dynamic analysis. Let's give it a proper title. Normal modes 1. And a few words on options on this window. So request result section allows defining what category of results has to be analyzed. And by default, displacement, stress, applied force, reaction force, element force, and force balance are requested. Moving on to hotspot stress section. Use weld stress outside locations. Displace weld stress values for all elements that are not used in hotspot locations defined in Weld Finder. Display 0 if turned off. Use average corner data. Uses average top/bottom stresses from all attached elements at the element corner where hotspot is calculated. FAM loads and constraints option creates individual loads for the calculations from the combinations of all FAM loads and all constraints. Result create the individual loads from all existing results by one result per load. Solid stress/strain makes it possible to read centroid or corner results for solid elements. Plate stress/strain reads centroid or corner results for plate elements. Analysis selection defines what elements the analysis will be run. You can edit and adjust according to your needs. And read the results selection is used if only the portion of the model has to be checked. Reduction of the results selection to that portion will improve memory usage and calculation performance. And again, it can be adjusted. Now, to set the must run options for analysis, press Define. And here, for normal modes, it is essential to activate and then define constraints. Otherwise, the results will be unrealistic. So select Pinned, press OK. And by default, the number of desired modes is 5, but it can be changed according to your requirements. Press OK. And again, OK. And we can see that in the model tree, normal modes job appeared. Now, an exciting part, the analysis of the model. So go to Home section and press Analyze. Great, the analysis finished. And we can see that individual loads, 5 individual loads / normal modes appeared, and they are with the frequencies, and they were created based on the number of desired modes, and there were 5, as you remember. Let's now build a table. Add modes table over loads. Now in loads count, select, we can see that the job is selected normal modes, loads all, press OK. And now fill the table. You can see the results. Also, what we can do is to build plots. For example, contour plot. And we can select category displacement, direction, sum. And for us, it is essential to see the deformation. So in view, let's edit it and enable the option show deformation. In selection by default, we can see the entire model, but it again can be adjusted. And according to data conversion, it can also be adjusted. So press OK. And we can see the result of the nodal contour. With those deformations. Okay, that's pretty much it about normal modes in SDC Verifier. And if you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So we can see help for SDC Verifier. And thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come.